everybody, this is Crafty Peep. It's Tammy. So welcome to the Thrift Flip playlist. The hosts are Tammy with the Rusted Willow and Elizabeth with Southern Gmore Gals. So go like their channels. Their links will be down in my description as well as the playlist. So this is going to be a wonderful list of creators showing you what they get at a Goodwill or a thrift store. So my first item is a clock. I think I paid $2.99. I love doing Mackenzie Childs, so I just freehanded some boxes on there, and then I come back and pull some Waverly ivory in the boxes, in the black boxes, and then I come back through and pull some gold through the white boxes, or ivory. I like to use the Waverly ivory. And Mackenzie Childs always has a little gold accent in the boxes as well as framing the pieces, and so you'll see me do that to the front of the clock. I have this on my mantle and I absolutely love it. I've been doing Mackenzie Childs inspired crafts for a while now, and it's just my favorite thing to do. And I've done several trays and sold them to some very sweet peeps, and finally made one for myself, and my husband absolutely loves it in the island. So here I go with the little accents. I'm using a gold pen I actually got from the Dollar Tree, and I love the color of it. So just little simple items you can pick up at Goodwill. It gives it a whole new look, and I've always needed a little clock on the mantle. So there we go. I just love it. All right. Moving on to the second DIY is a tray, a false graph tray I got at Goodwill, I think for $4.99. I was at a 4-day retreat, so I decided to take this large project over there. And there again, I'm just dragging the white or the ivory through the black, and then the gold through the white, and then I put a gold all the way around, and I shipped both of the large and the mini tray up to a Sweet Peep up in Brooklyn. So this, I don't have the film before it, but it was just a little black box from Goodwill for like 99 cents. And so now my dish soap is in it in the kitchen. And this is a little bathtub I got for $1.99, and it is right by my tub with this sign I made with paint sticks and a picture from the Dollar Tree. I just love that little tray. I hope that you've liked this short but sweet little thrift flip, and please go subscribe on YouTube, y'all. Quick little bonus clip. If you mention my 3 F's that sustain me, family, faith, and friends, you'll be entered into a drawing.